that he left. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I almost see.
Can you see? Oh my goodness. Santa Claus brought all kinds of toys.
Sandy, get out of there.
You're ruining my view.
Can you open them?
What else is there?
Open these things.
We'll open them all. What else do you see?
Umi car.
Mm-hmm.
Would you open Umi car? Would you open you in a pirate?
Oh my goodness.
Santa Claus.
Yeah. He brought you all that stuff.
Candy.
Candy.
For Mimi.
For Mimi? No, I think Santa Claus did that. He brought that for you. Yeah.
And you too.
Oh, you're going to share?
Sandy, you want yours?
Oh, good.
Let's get your stocking.
We're going to eat those at the house.
Yeah, we're going to eat those after we eat breakfast, huh? What have you got, Kenzie? Oh, you got some characters? What you got? Huh?
I will hold,
You got some characters?
Ochi and the birds. I will hold
Kenzie, what's the bird's name?
up and the TikTok crop.
Yeah. What is this over here? What is that?
An airplane.
Yeah, looks like it.
Airplane.
And what's that Jolly Roger thing? That big package. Right there. This one. What's that? Is that Captain Hook's ship? Is your gown wet?
That's not Captain.
She said no, she's just holding on.
That's not Captain Hook's.
That one is. This
Bucky.
one is.
Yeah.
But look, this. That was Evelyn. She's ready to go to breakfast.
Open it.
Did Melanie say what time we should come for breakfast? I heard telling him to come whenever, but well, I'm not quite ready to do that yet.
Mama used your keys.
I told her that the girls hadn't even
Mama used
had Santa
your
yet.
keys.
Yeah.
But you don't have it.
They're in my pocket right here.
Here's Captain Hook's ship. Oh, what is doing? Yeah. Okay, I'll get you there.
Never seen this. Never seen. Never seen. Never see, 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 never done as seen.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure where that one goes.
They're not open yet.
Alright, hold on. Let me see. I'm going to open him. That's me. I got to hold him to open him.
Mama. Hey, excuse me.
Hey girls, can you say Merry Christmas?
Santa Claus.
That'll work.
Tick-tock.
Kenzie.
Buggers. Muffins.
It actually shoots these things. I'm working on getting Bucky here. Toby was trying to go walk on his own. Gotta follow the thing. I guess Sadie got tired of her few toys. So I guess she got tired of her new toys. She took them all out and chewed on them a minute, and now she's wandering around again. She got some too.